Hello, today I'm going to show you how to make a TikTok sound your ringtone on the iPhone. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Two apps that you're going to need is this app right here, the Ringtone Maker. I'll show you how to get that in a second. And the other app that you're going to need is the GarageBand app, which comes already preloaded on your iPhone. If you don't have it, you can go ahead and just get into the App Store and download it that way. But let me show you where to get this Ringtone Maker, because there are a couple different ringtone apps in the App Store, so let's make sure we get the right one. So now in the App Store, what you want to go ahead and type in is Ringtone Maker. And once you hit search, most likely it's not going to be the top one. This is not the one that I am using. I am using this one right here, Ringtone Maker. It kind of has this pink and purple icon that goes with it. And once you have these two apps downloaded, then what we can do is just go ahead and open up TikTok. And then once we are in TikTok, what we want to do is just go ahead and select the three horizontal dots down here, and we just want to download the video. So for this video, I'm just downloading one of my old posts. Once we have downloaded the video from TikTok that we want to turn into a ringtone, we can go ahead and open up the Ringtone Maker app. This is what the standard home page looks like. What you want to do is select the little plus button in the upper right hand corner. Go ahead and select import from videos. And then in here, you're going to have to either allow access or select certain photos that you want. I'm going to go ahead and select the TikTok video that I just downloaded. So now it's imported and we just want to hit done. And as you can see, it popped up on the top. And now what we want to do is we want to select the little eye icon on the right. And then up at the very top, we want to select Make Ringtone. That is now going to bring you into this page. And this is why we want the GarageBand app, because what we have to do is go select our GarageBand app. If it's not showing up here, what you want to do is just go ahead and slide over to More, and then scroll down and you'll see the GarageBand app there. And for better viewing, I changed it to landscape mode here, and we can see that the sound from the TikTok video has now imported into GarageBand. One thing what we want to do is make sure that we change and we turn off this metronome here. And if you want to, you can go ahead and trim the selection, or select the part of the song that you want to have as the ringtone. But then once you are done editing it, you want to go ahead and just select this icon all the way on the left. Go to My Songs. So we can see it has it saved right here. And then what we want to do is do a long hold on our song. We want to scroll down to the bottom and select Share. And then here we want to select Ringtone and name the song. I'm just going to call it TikTok. And then we can go ahead and hit export. It'll tell us that it's successful. And if we want to right away, we can go ahead and say use sound as. We can do it as our standard ringtone. We can do it as our standard text tone, or we can assign it to a specific contact. And then another way that you can access the ringtone that you just created is you can go into your settings, and then you can scroll down to where you see sound and haptics. And then once you're inside there, you can go ahead and just scroll down and select ringtone, or you can select text tone. It will work either way. But once you select it, you can see that now up at the top, you have the ringtone that you just created from TikTok. So I hope this helped you out. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.